Hi friends, welcome to Class 33. Today we will learn about the grid tool, how it works, why designers use it, and how you can apply it to create perfectly aligned professional level layouts in your designs. This tool is available in the toolbar. When we click on it, a settings window will open. Here we can adjust its settings, set the width to 100px and the height to 100px. Now set the horizontal dividers, grid lines, to 4 and also set the vertical dividers to 4. After clicking OK, a grid box will appear on the artboard. Inside the same tool group, we also find the Polar Grid tool. When we click on it, a settings window will open. Here we can use the same settings for width and height and set both the horizontal dividers and vertical dividers to 5, then click OK. We can also create the grid manually by dragging while holding the Shift key. Without releasing the mouse, we can use the up arrow and down arrow keys on the keyboard to increase or decrease the number of dividers. The grid tool is mostly used for logo design, helping designers create accurate and well-aligned shapes.